And the color.
Yeah.
Yellow egg.
A yellow egg.
Yellow egg.
A yellow egg.
What color do you want to do next?
Green.
Do green?
Some green.
Put egg in the hole.
Some green hole.
Egg.
Goodbye, egg. It's green.
Green.
Cool.
That's it. Now we get really dark green.
Oh, green.
Okay, so we have yellow, we have blue, and we have green. What next? We have orange, red, and purple.
Red.
Red? Okay.
Red.
Put in the holder. Okay, let go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Make red.
Yeah, the red egg.
Let's go red. Make a red egg. Make a red egg.
You want orange or purple next?
Orange.
Orange.
Okay.
I need some more extra water, Daddy.
What is it? What is it?
No, that's not to drink, baby. That's not juice.
Which one? What do you collect now?
I think we have purple left.
Purple. What?
Some of this comes out kind of funky.
Cool.
Yeah. You have to let it play.
What's this? What do you do now?
Well, what do you want to do now? You want to check our blue one?
The blue one.
Check our blue one.
So pretty.
Yeah, that's cute.
So
What color was next? Should we check yellow?
or green. Or green.
You want to check the green one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh.
Cool.
That's pretty.
Do you want to open it?
No, we don't know.
What do you do now?
What color do you want to check next?
Orange.
Check orange.
Okay.
The only thing about this is you have to kind of sit and wait.
Make orange.
Orange, yeah.
Make orange egg.
I'm going to get a little bit more water for a couple of these, okay? Keep that on the apron.
What do you do now? Hey!
No, careful, buddy. How many holes do you see?
I found it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go. So good. We all had to drink it.
No.
We don't drink these, Greg.
No drinky.
Look at all the eggs. Look at all the eggs.
Yeah.
Look at all the pretty eggs.
Once they dry, we can put stickers on
Stickers on
them, or we can put wrappers on
it. Follow.
them.
No.
You want to take a picture?
Hold on, buddy.